Hey everyone, so today we're going to be unboxing the Vivo U10. Now this is one of Vivo's more popular smartphones, and this particular unit comes with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage. So let's just quickly go ahead and unbox this phone to see what it is you get on the inside. So first, let's just take off the top and see exactly what's there. So when you open the box, you actually have this little cover which houses a bunch of important things. You've of course got the TPU cover itself. Along with that, you have a number of documents. There's the SIM pin tray and a warranty document, a quick start guide, etc. So that's what you have at the very first layer of the box itself. We'll put that down here. Then you of course have the phone itself, which is nestled nicely in its own tray. So let's just quickly go ahead and take that out. Now this is a beautifully designed phone, currently discharged. There's no battery in, there is some battery. Hopefully the phone will come on and we'll see exactly what it is like. Moving past that, you also have this little paper divider that's just normal to have in the phone. Put that aside. Then you get a USB type C cable. Actually no, this is a micro USB cable which you get bundled in the box. It's a fairly thick cable, so we're assuming this should be able to handle higher than normal current and higher than normal power. So the phone's already turned on. It's got Fun Touch OS, but we'll get into that later. So let's just quickly make that a neat little arrangement. Then you also have a power adapter that comes in the box. The brick itself is a this is an 18-watt charger. So like we said, yes, since this is an 18-watt charger, meaning this is supporting fast charging, and that's why the cable over here is thicker than what you would normally get if it was a micro USB cable. So this supports up to 18-watt fast charging, as does the phone. So that's pretty much all you get inside the box of the Vivo U10. It's a fairly mid-range phone with a fairly mid-range packaging. What's really nice though, however, is that even though it's a mid-range device, it's built fairly well and comes with a headphone jack, which is probably one of the most important asks in such a price segment. And the design is fairly nice. It's built pretty sturdy. So yeah, for more about this phone you can watch other videos, but for now this is essentially an unboxing of the Vivo U10, and this is what you get inside the box. Thank you guys for watching, and hopefully this has been an informative video for you.